1 second, you start again.
Should I start?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammed Ahmad Samara. I am from MPC Group. And today I'm going to give you a presentation on Marie and Pierre Curie. First, we are going to see about Marie Curie. Marie Sklodowska-Curie, born Maria Solomon Sklodowska from 17 November 1867 to 4 July 1934, was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. As part of the Curie family legacy of 5 Nobel Prizes, she was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person and the only woman to win the Nobel Prize twice, and the only person to win the Nobel Prize in 2 scientific fields. She was also the first woman. She was also the first woman to become a professor at the University of Paris. So she was born in Warsaw, Poland, to a family of teachers who believed strongly in education. She moved to Paris to continue her studies and there met Pierre Curie, who became both her husband and colleague in the field of radioactivity. She was a part of the Russian Empire in Warsaw, which was in the Kingdom of Poland. She studied at Warsaw's clandestine flying university and began her practical scientific training for Warsaw in 1891. In 1891, aged 24, she followed her elder sister Bronislava to study in Paris, where she earned her higher degree and conducted her subsequent scientific work. So Mary was widowed in 1906, but she continued the couple's work and went on to become the first person ever to be awarded 2 Nobel Prizes. During World War I, she organized mobile X-ray terms. Curie's daughter Irene was also jointly awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry alongside her husband, Frederick Joliot. She moved to Paris to continue her studies and there met Pierre Curie, who became both her husband and colleague in the field of radioactivity. The couple later shared the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics. Mary was widowed in 1906, but continued the couple's work and went on to become the first person ever to be awarded 2 Nobel Prizes. During World War I, Curie organized mobile X-ray teams. The Curie's daughter Irene was also jointly awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry alongside with her husband Frederick Joliot. 1903 prize. So the 1896 discovery of radioactivity by Henrik Becquerel inspired Marie and Pierre Curie to further investigate this phenomenon. They examined many substances and minerals for signs of radioactivity. They found out that mineral pitchblende was more radioactive than uranium and concluded that it must contain other radioactive substances. From it, they managed to extract 2 previously unknown elements, polonium and radium, both more radioactive than uranium. So they were the ones to discover polonium and radium, which were unknown. 1911 prize. After Mary and Pierre Curie first discovered the radioactive elements, polonium and radium, Mary continued to investigate their properties. In 1910, she successfully produced radium as a pure metal, which proved the new element's existence beyond a doubt. She also documented the properties of the radioactive elements and their compounds. Radioactive compounds became important as sources of radiation in both scientific experiments and in the field of medicine, where they are used to treat tumors. So in 1995, she became the first woman to be entombed on her own merits in the Pantheon, Paris. The Curie symbol, Ci, is a unit of radioactivity named in honor of her and Pierre Curie. Although the commission which agreed on the name never clearly stated whether the standard was named after Pierre, Mary, or both of them. The element with atomic number 96 was named curium. Three radioactive minerals are also named after the Curies: curite, scleroskite, and cuproscleroskite. She received numerous honorary degrees from universities across the world. The Marie Sklodowska-Curie Action Fellowship Program of the European Union for young scientists wishing to work in a foreign country is named after her. In Poland, she had received honorary doctorates from the Lwów Polytechnic, 1912, Poznan University, 1922, Krakow's Jagiellonian University, 1924, and the Warsaw Polytechnic, 1926. So now let's talk about Pierre Curie. He was born in Paris on 15 May in 1859. Pierre Curie was the son of Eugène Curie, 28 August 1827 to 25 February 1910. A doctor of French Huguenot Protestant origin from Alsace and Sophie Claire de Puy Curie, 15 January 1832 to 27 September 1897.